Unboxing and hands-on with the new Vivo V40 phone with Zeiss cameras. Here's everything you get in the box. The Vivo V40 in a plastic sleeve. A protective casing. Some manuals. 80-watt fast charger. USB cable. The free casing and fast charger add exceptional value to the Vivo V40. The finish comes in stellar silver and the phone is just 7.58 millimeters thin while weighing 190 grams. The Vivo V40 comes with dual 50MP Zeiss cameras with an Aura light for superior portraiture. You get a 6.78-inch AMOLED 120Hz display with 4,500 nits peak brightness. Powering the phone is a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset running Android 14 with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. It also has a huge 5,500 mAh battery for all-day use. Coming soon to Malaysia.